All right, I have a good news for you. Google Cloud is providing free generative AI vouchers, exam vouchers, generative AI leader certification exam vouchers. Please follow this video and please do not skip this video, otherwise, you will miss the important details. So, the second most important details is that you got to attend the 2 day training program, like that visibly on 11th and 12th of March 2026. And also you'll get $50 US dollar voucher for Google Cloud portal hands-on, which you can practice. That is for first 500 pass. So you got to hurry up. And please note, if you are planning to take the certification exam after 8th April, you won't be eligible to receive the swag voucher, right? And government employees not eligible. So there are dates where you got to have attend the exam. So it's the attending the exam prep session on 19th March 2026 or 26 March 2026. So these are the certification exam prep office hour session, right? So you got to keep in mind. So here is the agenda of it, and it is under the program for Google Launchpad for Women, right? So you'll get the link in the description box for this, and it's starting in around 1 month. You got to click on register. Since you're already watching this video on YouTube, you might be having a Gmail account, definitely. So you can sign in with your Google account if you have, or if you aren't signed into by YouTube, then you can use other email as well without signing anything. So let me sign in with my Google account. So once you sign in with your Google account, you got to open this link here, this link, because you'll get you got to fill up the access code below, right? If you do not have an access code, right, you got to complete the form. Everything will be verified for the eligibility, and the code will be given, right? So once you open the link there, you'll get this submit the form based, right? This form, you got to fill it up with the details, right? Once you get the access code, you got to fill it up below. So here, once you receive the access code, you got to fill it up, then complete the registration. So that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues, those who are enthusiastic in generative AI, especially with regard to Google Generative AI Leader certification. It will help them. And please do consider subscribing to this channel, because I regularly update videos related to high paying IT certification and courses which will help you to boost your IT career.